In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Sakara discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Sakara discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount, simply select your coupon code from right here, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this one and apply the promo code on your next purchase to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see, we also have right here a list with promo codes that you can use. For example, if you want to get this $15 discount right here, you can simply select get deal option right here. And for this one, there is no promo code required. You can simply tap right here to on the button which says get offer, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.